everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well. Today's video is a Sunday reset, so these are all the things that I like to do on a Sunday to make sure that I have the best week possible ahead. A little disclaimer, I will say that this is not every Sunday for me. Some Sundays are spent in pajamas doing nothing, but I do find that when I have a Sunday like this, I have a much better week ahead. So it is definitely something that I am trying to make sure I do every Sunday at the moment. I am going to jump straight into the video and I hope that you enjoy it. So without fail, the first thing that I always like to do on a Sunday morning is wash my bed covers. So I'm just going to take all them off, pop them in the washing machine. It's just nice to know you've got your fresh bedding for the week. I also like to put in some scent boosters with my bed covers just to make sure they smell extra nice. Next thing is to sit down and do some planning. So I will go over what I want to film that week for YouTube. I will go over what bills are going to be coming out that week as well, when I want to get certain things done, like my food shopping, all of that sort of thing, just seeing what is what for the week. Also, on a Sunday, it is so nice to have something special for breakfast. So I am making the boys these pancakes. Oh my gosh, these were so nice. I will leave the recipe down below. So it was a banana pancake recipe, but I just added in some blueberries as well. Would 100% recommend making these. They were delicious. This isn't something I could do every single morning, but it is nice to do something special at the weekend. And if you make a huge batch, you can put some in the freezer. That never happens in this house because we always end up eating them all, even though I do make plenty. I really do find that going for a walk is so good for my mental health. I know that it is, it is for a lot of people. So getting out for a nice Sunday walk is so good for you. It is getting really nice and warm and sunny outside as well. I love spring. So on a Sunday, there is nothing better than having a nice little stroll, taking the kids to the park, taking Rudy for a little walk. It really does do us all good. I'm also going to restock all of my food for the week. So I have just had a little trip to Aldi and now I'm just going to restock everything, get organised, see what we're eating for the week. I like to know that for the week I am set with food and snacks and everything for packed lunches. Getting the house in order and getting some jobs done is also another task for a Sunday. Just things that I might not get a chance to do in the week. Things like getting the grass done, mopping the floors, giving the sofa a good clean. It's just nice to make sure that everything is nice and fresh. So when I have my chaotic days in the week, I know at least that some of those jobs have been done, and then I can just sort of do a little top-up tidy every day. It just makes the week a lot smoother if I can get some of those more time-consuming jobs done. Also, getting to the bottom of the wash basket is great for the end of the week, so that I am starting the week with an empty one, hopefully, which never lasts very long. So I'm just getting all of the washing put away, organising all of that, making sure the boys have all their uniform and everything that they need for the week all washed and ready for them. Is there anything better than a nice hearty meal on a Sunday? It just really is a lovely way to spend time together as a family as well. I know a lot of people obviously have a Sunday dinner. My boys would not eat that, but I can get them to have something like this. So sausage and mash is what I'm making for us all with Yorkshire puddings, cauliflower cheese. I just love to have a nice big hearty carb-filled meal with us all together. It's just proper comfort food, isn't it? I think it is really important as well on a Sunday to have a bit of self-care time, have a bit of a pamper. I like to have a nice bubble bath, just really spend some time relaxing in the evening. Also, just to recommend a product, I have got this hair treatment. It's like a Superdrug Zone version of Olaplex, but it is just really good for giving your hair some nourishment. So things like face masks, hair masks, just really nice to spend a bit of time doing those on a Sunday, because I know that in the week when the boys have been at school and it's just chaotic, I just don't always have the energy or the time to want to do that in the evening. So a Sunday evening is just a great time to have a little pamper. I also like to have a little look at what I might want to wear the next day, because Monday mornings are particularly chaotic. Normally the boys are extra tired from the weekend, and it just always feels like it's a little bit harder to get everybody motivated on a Monday morning. So I quite like to pick out my clothes for the next day, just checking the weather, seeing what sort of thing that I might want to wear. And then I will get myself into bed. Is there anything better than fresh pyjamas, fresh bedding, moisturised skin and freshly shaved legs? We all know that is just the best thing, isn't it? And I will normally do a to-do list for the next day. So I know I planned my week earlier, but what I will do is just have a little think about things that I particularly want to get done the next day. I really need a list. I need a tick list, because otherwise I just procrastinate like crazy. So I'll just have a little plan for the next day, jotting some things down that I need to remember. And that is the end of my very busy Sunday. I would love it if you gave it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed it. It really helps me out. Also, come and follow me on Instagram, which is CarlyElizabeth_kiss. And I hope you have a really lovely week, and I will see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.